I'm gonna show you a way to make $100 per day from Merch by Amazon without having a Merch by Amazon account. This method works worldwide and anybody can do it, even beginners. You don't need to design, you don't need to upload any design to the Merch by Amazon platform. All you have to do is do some research. And I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Literally, it does not get easier than that. And it's all free. You don't need to use any paid tools. And by the way, we're giving away a Merch by Amazon account, so follow with me guys throughout the video so you know how to get into the giveaway. Let's dive right in. So we said we're going to make money from Merch by Amazon, but why are we on Fiverr? Well, this is exactly what I'm going to explain to you. We're going to use Fiverr to make money from Merch by Amazon. You need to follow with me till the end so that you can understand, guys. I typed Merch by Amazon research and I only have 462 services available. This is a very low competition niche. A bunch of people are selling like crazy. Look at that. 136 reviews, 58 reviews, 20 reviews. This means that there's demand on this service. And all we have to do is find niches, which I'm going to show you how to do for free using a tool that we've developed. And then we're going to sell these niches in our gig. So we're going to make a gig that says something like, I will do keyword research, or I will do niche research for Merch by Amazon, that kind of thing. And we can sell like these people. Do you know why? Because we don't have much competition. We have to work on the ad creative or on the thumbnail of our service. That way we're going to get better results. For example, let's check this guy, what he's saying. This guy is selling t-shirt designs. Let's move on to another one. So this guy is saying, I'll research profitable niches for Merch by Amazon, Teespring, Redbubble. So basically you only get 3 profitable t-shirt niches plus special bonus. That's not a lot if I'm honest with you. And that's for $5. In my niche service, I provide between 10 and 50 niches per week. That's a lot of niches, guys. So people that are subscribed to my niche service, they get so much value. Why do I say this? Because you can actually use my service, get some inspiration from the niches, and then sell 3 or 4 or 5 niches for $5. It's literally like arbitrage. You know, you get it from here and then you sell it there. But obviously, you're not going to sell the entire niches pack. Just take inspiration from the latest niches and sell them as 3, 4, or 5 niches, and then maybe you can add 2 as a bonus, something like that. And that's how you're going to compete with these bigger guys. Now, you don't have to use my niches service, of course. I'm just giving you some inspiration in case you don't want to do your research by yourself. But I'm going to show you how to do the research anyway. There's another one. I'll research profitable niches for Merch by Amazon. This guy's actually using my numbers. This guy's, oh my God, this is crazy. These numbers, I did them, last year? That was my earnings for June last year, 2021. You'll find it on my Facebook page and all over YouTube and stuff. So guys, don't say there's too much competition, yada, yada, yada. Look, there's not many people in this space and people are selling. The whole first page is selling. They all have reviews. They're all providing the same service and you can do too. And once you got some money from Fiverr, if you want to get involved in Merch by Amazon, you can do that. You can buy an account or apply for an account from Merch by Amazon. If they don't accept you, then obviously you can get an account created for you, either buy it or use our service or whatever. There's plenty of options. And guys, this doesn't end here. You can do the same thing for KDP. I'm going to show you how to do it as well with the same tool that I'm going to show you. You can design t-shirts for these people that want to outsource the t-shirt design. If you don't know how to design t-shirts that well, you've got Creative Fabrica. I've given you guys a deal for $1, only $1 to get fonts, graphic elements, graphic designs ready-made, and then all you have to do is like take different elements from different places, different designs, put them together. It's like you're gonna stitch them up and come up with a brand new design. I've done that so many times, guys, for you to show you how I do it, and you can do it too. You'll find the link down below in the description if you want to get that $1 deal. Now that we know how the entire process works, I'm gonna show you how this tool works and show you how to do research and basically come up with the niches and sell them as a gig. There's 2 ways that you can do it. If you already know the niche that you want to research, let's say, for example, somebody says, can you please find me niches for Halloween? You can start with Halloween here, and the tool will come up with different keywords that people are searching for right now on Amazon. And you can either check the Merch by Amazon designs from the novelty and more category by clicking on this button right here, the A button. So for example, if you want to search for this keyword in particular, Halloween for women clothing, you can click click on this button right here and it takes you straight into the novelty and more category, and you only see merch by Amazon designs. And by the way, it's always important to change the zip code to the marketplace that you're searching for. So currently we're searching for the .com marketplace. We have all the 7 marketplaces. We have all the products. Obviously we have a zip code here per marketplace. This is separate zip code for each marketplace so that you can accurate research. Now we've developed this tool just for you guys to benefit from the huge potential that POD, Merch by Amazon, has to offer. So like I said, you either put Halloween and then start searching for each one individually, leave it alone, and then click on search on Amazon. If I'm starting from scratch, I don't know what I'm searching for, I prefer to use this method. Just leave it empty, select all the other elements, marketplace, products, and I enter my zip code in here, of course. So I click on search on Amazon. Now I have all the latest best-selling designs in the novelty and more category for Merch by Amazon. I then go to last 30 days. This way we can see the designs that have just been uploaded and that are doing well. They've got a good BSR rank. To display the BSR rank here, you need to get this extension called DS Amazon Quick View. Just go to Google and type DS Quick Amazon View like so, and you come over here and install this extension. We don't want to do any copyrighted stuff like this kind of stuff here. Spooky season, this is a movie, I believe. Music literacy matters, that we could probably work on, right? We open it up and then get the title. Follow with me, guys, this is pretty important. And then we go back to Merch Dominator and we enter the title right here and then click on search on Amazon, and then we get all the results pertaining to this quote. The niche is flying, guys. Look at that. BSR pretty low, the niche is flying. So what you would do then, you could say this is a niche. You take the title and you give it to that person as a niche. Something that would take you literally between 5 to 15 minutes, and then you can resell it. Sell it to the first person, second, third person, and it's done. If you don't want to do the research, purchase my niches subscription, and whenever I post something new, you've got your gig running on Fiverr. Get inspiration from there and give those niches to the person on Fiverr. My service is only $20 per month. I mean, imagine how many gigs you could sell per day. Basically, just follow the same method, guys. Again, we keep going down, see something that we like. Obviously, make sure that you always check the copyright and the trademark. In our service, we do check the copyright and trademark, of course, but obviously always double check. Keep going down. I think this is a YouTube video that went viral. It went viral on TikTok as well. Pretty funny, actually. Keep going down. You could check this Dark Brandon as well. Again, we're filtering what we could do and what we can't do. Yeah, this one right here in September, we wear gold. Not bad. But again, whenever you see something that you fancy, you enter the title over here, search for it on Amazon again, and then like I said, get the number of results. This is your competition, and check the BSR in the first page. This is your demand. The lower the BSR is, the better. So anything that is below 200, 300k, 100k, if it's below 100k, you know it's pretty high on demand. For example, this one or this one right here. When I see 26k, that's very good. 62k, not bad. Especially many results below 300k. Really good. And guys, you could do the same thing with KDP, right? So I'm going to remove this. You could provide niche research for other marketplaces. So we've got UK, Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Japan. This is insane, guys. We're providing this at no cost to you. So all you got to do is use it and make some money. These are the products that we've got. So let's check KDP, for example. Let's check puzzle book. So I typed puzzle book. You can either search for it just like that. You could check some long tail keywords and see if you want to search for those long tail keywords. I'm just going to try this for now. There we go, guys. So we get just KDP results, and then we can go to the last 30 days to see what has just been uploaded and is selling really well. Autumn word search 1,821. This is selling like hotcakes, guys, and it's just been uploaded about a month ago. This one right here uploaded 3 weeks ago. This one just 2 weeks ago. So yeah, guys, I mean, this method is on fire. I haven't seen anyone talk about it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys just to help you out get that first start. So again, the method is you come and use the exact method that I showed you to pick good niches for either KDP or Merch by Amazon, and go ahead to Fiverr and sell this niche research service as a gig for either Merch by Amazon, KDP, Redbubble, etc. and you'll be raking it in, guys. Get that money, reinvest it in something else. In the meantime, apply for a Merch by Amazon account. If you got accepted, then you already have the skills to research. If you didn't get accepted, then you can purchase an account. We have a service. We give you the accounts within 24 hours. I mean, guys, it's all there. Up to you to basically take it. Now, in terms of the giveaway, guys, we're giving away a free Merch by Amazon account. All you have to do is click on the link in the description where it says giveaway. You'll get this page right here. Put your first name, email address, click on get started, complete all the entries, and the more friends you refer, the more entries you get. There's a bunch of other ways where you can earn more entries. The website shows you everything, and I wish you good luck. The harder you work, the more that money keeps getting compounded, guys. And that's how you grow your capital to reinvest. And if you guys need a Merch by Amazon account, or you know someone who needs one, I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description. You'll get it within 24 hours of purchase. I'll also leave you below a crash course for Merch by Amazon, along with 200 plus profitable print on demand niches, a link to check out my full Ultimate Merch by Amazon course that's helped hundreds of people crush Merch by Amazon. And if you guys don't have time to do niche research, I'm going to leave you a link for my niche research service. I hope you got some value out of this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment down below with your suggestions or questions. Hit the notifications button to get notified as soon as I upload a new video, and I'll see you in the next one.